Hi everyone, this week we're learning about addition with money. So let's make that your title to begin with. You've got about 20 seconds to write that title. Alright, first of all, let's just practice counting by fives, because if we're dealing with money, sometimes we've got these pesky little 5 senses and it's helpful to be able to count by fives. So let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. How many are there? If that's 50, how many coins are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 fives are 50 cents. So it's the same amount as that 1 50 cents there. What if we started with 10 cents and then we added on fives? So we've got start with 10, added on 5. What have we got now? 15. Now we've got 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now we've got 1 10 cents and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've just made 50 cents in 2 different ways. We made it when we had 10 5 senses, and we made it when we've got 8 5 senses and 1 10 cents. And of course we can also make it this way, using a 50 cents. We can do the same with $1. There's a $1, but we could also make a $1 by having a 50 cents plus another 50 cents. 50 plus 50 is 100 cents, and 100 cents is the same as $1. How else could we make $1? We could make $1 with a 50 cents and then go up by 5. So we've got 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, or $1. All right, let's start writing some of these down. Write down the title, Ways to Make ... Let's start with ways to make. We'll start small. Ways to make 10 cents. What are the ways that we can make 10 cents? Put a circle around 10 cents. We can make 10 cents with 2 10 cents. Sorry, ways to make 20 cents. We can make 20 cents with 10 and 10. So that would look like this. We could make 20 cents with a 10 and another 10. How else can we make 20 cents? We can also make 20 cents with 1 20 cents. How else can we make 20 cents? What about if we use fives and only fives? 5, 10, 15, 20. So we can make 20 cents with 5, 5, 5, and 5. There's still one more way of making 20 cents though, and it's using a combination of 5s and 10s. Let's see if you can figure that out. You have to use a combination of 5 cents and 10 cents. how can we make 20 cents using 5s and 10s? That's right, we need 1 10 cents, and then another 5 is 15, and another 5 is 20. So we'd have 10, 15, 20. Excellent. Let's do this time ways to make, write the title again, ways to make, and let's do 50 cents this time. All right, I want you to draw 3 bubbles like this. And see how many different ways you can make 50 cents in the next 45 seconds. All right, hopefully each of you have got at least one of those bubbles filled out. I'm going to do the easy bubble to start with. I can make 50 cents by using a 50 cents. So I can make 50 cents with 150. And I remember that before we also talked about 50 cents with lots of the 5 senses. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So I can also make 50 cents with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, 10 5 senses. So I'll write that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I'll let you catch up and write your 10 5 senses in there. If you already did it, well done. I could also make it with a 10 cents, that's 10, and a 20 cents, so that's 10, 20, 30, that's 30 cents, and another 10, that's 40, and another 10, that's 50 cents. So 10, 20, 30 plus 20 is 50. So let's write that one down. That's 10, 10, 10, and a 20. What about, draw another bubble. I have to put mine down the page a little. And another bubble. What about if I use a combination of 5 senses and 10 senses? We'll do some 5s first. 5, 10, 15, 20. I might do a 10 cents now. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 senses. I'll put them down first. and 1, 2, 3 10 senses. And then actually, seeing as 5 senses, 2 of them together is a 10 cents, I could swap them for another 10 cents. And then what I've got is 1, 2, 3, 4 10 senses. So 10, 10, 10, 10, plus 2 5 senses. 1, 2. So 5, 5. All right, let's do one more example. There's actually even more ways to make 50 cents, but you'd need 2 20 centses, and I haven't got 2 of them. One more. Let's do ways to make $1. All right, let's draw ourselves some bubbles. And I'll give you 45 seconds again to see if you can get any ways to make $1. All right, one of the ways we could make that, obviously, is just with $1. What's another way we could make $1? Did you get 50 cents and 50 cents? Good. We're going to add in the cents and the dollars now, because when you're mixing dollars and cents, see here, we didn't write cents because they were all cents. But here we've got some that are dollars and some that are cents. So add in the dollars and the cents this time. So we've got $1 and we've got 50 cents and another 50 cents. Notice this weird thing. When you're writing $1, you actually write $1. But when you're writing 50 cents, you write 50 and cents. It's very strange. All right, another way to make $1. What about if we do a 50 cents and then instead of this 50, we make this 50 with 5 senses, which we already know we can do. So we've got the 50 cents first, and then we know that we need 10 of these. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Well, the other ones are hiding underneath my paper. One sec. So I had 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's 50 cents. How many of them are in the pile? That's right, 10 of them. All right. 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. That's 4. You work on it too. All right. Now, some of you might be thinking, what is Kerry doing? Why is she writing 5 cents out that many times when instead you could do this? This would be a good way to do it. We could have 50 cents plus 10 times 5 cents. So we've got 50 cents plus 10 times 5 cents. It's probably a bit quicker, isn't it? All right, there are other ways to make $1. For example, we could have 10 10-centses. So it would be 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. So we could have 10 times 10 cents. But it's time for us to finish the video. You'll get to practice this exact skill of ways to make different amounts of money on the book worksheet shortly. Thanks for listening.